Recommend good morning and welcome you to you for the last comment share this video because it's amazing. Bro, this is my iPhone 12 Pro Max and I received a new update, bro. A new update. I want to check and see what is talking about. And this is my new pen. Yes, my new pencil also that I use, and this is cool. I made a video to show you how to do this. You can check on my YouTube channel to see how to do this. Just write how to create a pen and you will see, or how to create pen. Now let's go on setting. Let's go. And when you come on setting, you can see something here. General, nice. After this, I have software update. Let's check. Wow, this is what I'm talking about. This is the new update. Can you see this? The new update, but you need to install absolutely. Is recommended. Wow, Apple. Wow, Apple. You can see this update provides important security fixes and is recommended for all users. It all fixes and new issue that prevents charging with the Lightning to USB 3 camera adapter. What do you want I do? Can I update right now? Why not? Click on install now. Let me enter my passcode. Now, what after verifying update? Wait for that. Are you ready? What is happening here? Nothing. But what? Disappear. Ooh, look at that. I think that the update process started. What do you think? Okay, get ready, because this is amazing update. So what you want to do is just wait few minutes with me, and hours after this we shall see what I have into this amazing new update. Look at that. Amazing case, amazing iPhone 12 Pro Max. This phone is still good even in 2023. Okay, wait with me. Oh. Look at that. What is this? Wow, you can see software update. Your phone has been up to date. Can you see this, bro? Can you see this? Added to iOS 16.5.1. What? You need a passcode. Let me do it. And welcome onto your iPhone. Can you see this? Edit is now done. Let's check. Software update. Phone up to date. This is cool, bro. This is nice. What do you think? Okay. For me, iOS 16.5 is the best iOS update that I have ever used on my iPhone 12 Pro Max. Yes, honestly. Now I have new update. I don't know if this update will make my phone more stable than ever or something. I need to test. I need to test. First of all, let's see memory and rubber RAM. As you can see, operating system iOS 16.5.1. Okay, battery 68%. As you can see, now I have memory, variable storage 41. I have just 128 gigabyte. Okay, not bad. And variable RAM, look at 1 gigabyte. Okay, cool. Let's restart this phone. Just turn off first. As you can see, it's off. Now turn on again. Okay. Nice. You need a passcode. Great. Okay. I can see. Nice. Let's open either 64 again. Let's see. Memory. Okay. Memory. And look at what I have right now. Rubber RAM 1792 megabytes. Not bad. This is why I recommend you to restart your phone after update. So cool. Now how it look like? How it feel? As you can see, it's still working. No problem. Yes. Nice. This is first test. Lock screen. Face ID still working. Let's go for the test again. Face ID. I can see Face ID work very well. No problem with Face ID. Okay. Wow. This is why I love Apple iPhone, because it's very his security is very good, honestly. Okay. Now you have your new update. This is not future update. This is just update for something. Okay. So cool. I don't know how it work. I will use this, and maybe if I meet problem, I will tell you. Okay. Now look at my new S Pen. This is cool. My pen work. This is pencil. It's work very well. Okay. Let me open Note and just watch something. Let's go for the test also in this update. As you can see, everything work. Okay. Good. Let's try something. Try. Okay, as you can see, it work. Let's clean. Nice. Great. This is not a joke. it work. Okay, what do you think? Nice. Okay, this is installation review now. Let's go. Wow, this S-Pen is just crazy. Crazy. You can watch how to make this in my YouTube channel. Okay, I'll make this video, which is amazing. And now I can use pen on my phone. Yes, pen. Can you see this? Nice. Okay, thanks for watching and enjoy your new update.